In a distant galaxy where stars are but waypoints in the dark expanse of space, there existed a civilization of extraordinary intelligence and technological prowess. These beings, known as the Zeltrons, had reached the zenith of their evolution, mastering the secrets of quantum mechanics, interstellar travel, and artificial intelligence. Yet their greatest achievements could not shield them from the consequences of their own success. Overconsumption of natural resources, climate change and pollution had taken a devastating toll on their home planet, Zeltar, thinning its atmosphere to a mere wisp of its former self. The planet, once a jewel of verdant landscapes and crystalline waters, was now on the brink of becoming an uninhabitable wasteland. In their search for a solution, the Zeltrons discovered a unique mineral, celestium, capable of synthesizing and restoring an atmosphere's balance. This mineral, however, was exceedingly rare and found only on a distant, undeveloped planet, which they named Terra Nova. Without hesitation, the Zeltrons dispatched an expedition across light years, navigating the labyrinth of space to reach this uncharted world. Terra Nova was a planet of untouched beauty, with diverse biomes ranging from sprawling deserts to dense, lush forests. It was here, deep within the planet's crust, that the celestium lay in abundance. The task of mining this vital mineral was daunting. The Zeltrons, although advanced, were not numerous enough to undertake the labor-intensive extraction process required. Their technology could assist, but the scale of the operation necessitated a workforce far greater than they could provide. It was then that the Zeltron Council proposed the creation of a new, less intelligent species to serve as laborers. This species would be genetically engineered to thrive on Terra Nova, performing the tasks necessary to mine celestium and ensure the survival of Zeltar. However, not all members of the Council were in agreement. A faction within the Zeltrons, led by the venerable scientist Athara, vehemently opposed the idea. They argued that creating a sentient species for the sole purpose of servitude was unethical, a violation of the natural order, and could lead to unforeseen consequences. The debate escalated, passions inflamed on both sides, until it erupted into a civil war that tore the Zeltron civilization apart. Starships clashed in the skies of Zeltar, and the ground was scarred by the weapons of the future. In the end, the faction favoring the creation of the new species emerged victorious, but at a great cost. The dissenters, led by Athara, were exiled, disappearing into the vastness of space, never to be seen again. With the conflict resolved, albeit tragically, the remaining Zeltrons proceeded with their plan. Using their advanced genetic engineering technologies, they crafted a new species, the Novans, designed for resilience and adaptability, yet limited in intellectual capacity to ensure they could not challenge their creators. The Novans proved to be efficient workers, and under the guidance of the Zeltrons, celestium mining operations began. Over the years, vast quantities of the mineral were extracted and sent back to Zeltar, where it played a crucial role in revitalizing the planet's atmosphere. Zeltar was reborn, its skies once again azure and its air breathable. With their mission accomplished, the Zeltrons prepared to depart Terra Nova, leaving the Novans behind. Before they left, a debate arose among the Zeltrons about the future of the Novans. Some advocated for uplifting the Novans, granting them greater intelligence and knowledge. Others argued that they should be left as they were, to evolve on their own without further interference. In the end, the decision was made to leave behind only the most basic tools and rudimentary knowledge, encoded in structures and artifacts, allowing the Novans the chance to discover their own path. Centuries passed, and the Zeltrons became a legend among the Novans, their origins shrouded in mystery and myth. The Novans, left to their own devices, began to evolve, both socially and intellectually. Societies formed, cultures blossomed, and technology advanced. The Novans, once simple miners, had become explorers of their world, philosophers of their existence, and architects of their future. As their intelligence and understanding grew, so did their curiosity about the universe and their place within it. They discovered the celestium mines, now abandoned, and the artifacts left by the Zeltrons. Piece by piece, they unraveled the story of their creation, the civil war among the stars, and the purpose for which they had been engineered. This revelation did not bring despair, but instead inspired a sense of unity and purpose. The Novans vowed to continue their evolution, not as servants or as a byproduct of another civilization's need, but as masters of their own destiny. The planet Terra Nova, once the stage for a grand experiment, had given birth to a new civilization, one that looked to the stars not with fear, but with ambition. The Novans began to dream of their own journeys through the cosmos, of meeting their creators as equals, and of discovering other civilizations among the stars. The legacy of the Zeltrons lived on, not as the architects of a servile species, but as the inadvertent founders of a civilization destined to explore the vast, mysterious universe. Thus, from the ashes of conflict and the depths of exploitation, arose a story of resilience and hope. The creation of Terra Nova and the birth of the Novans served as a testament to the unforeseen paths of evolution and the indomitable spirit of life to rise, adapt, and aspire to greatness, regardless of its origins. In the cosmic dance of the universe, where countless stories unfold across the expanse of time and space, the tale of Terra Nova and its children was but one of many, a reminder of the complexities of creation, the ethics of intelligence, and the unyielding quest for understanding and identity.